It's been 3 weeks since Joellen planted the zucchini here, and it's time to pull the straw up around them. So the first thing I'm going to do as I look at it is I'm going to thin them a little bit because there's a few too many here. So we want to take it down to about 1 every foot or so. And then I'm going to go ahead and just pull the straw up. Now it looks like I'm burying them, but that's fine. They'll continue to grow up and out of the straw. Now we have, as Joellen said we would, we have a few little sprouts here of wheat. So we can just go ahead and pull that out. It comes out really easily because it's not well attached to the ground, but we'll just continue to have to do that. I have more right here. So I'm just going to continue to work down the row. There, now the zucchini is mulched with straw. As it gets a little bit taller, I might come back and put a little bit more on, but that shades the ground. There were a lot of little sprouts of weeds down there that hopefully that'll shade out and they'll all die.